Today we are here in Clear Lake, Texas, and we are gonna get some Mexican food. Now Texas, actually Southern Texas, is known for some of the best Tex-Mex food. We're here with some friends and we're gonna go get a bunch of Mexican food.
A bunch of Mexican.
I have been craving Mexican food for so long, so yeah, this is gonna be a good eating adventure. Let's go check and see what's on the menu. Okay, these are corn chips. They're actually pretty easy to make. Difficult to find in Asia, by the way. But very filling. And all the Mexican restaurants usually come with endless amounts of chips and all the hot sauce you want, or guacamole sauce, or sauce with cheese. Okay, Lori, what'd you get?
Watermelon margarita.
Watermelon margarita.
My favorite.
What else is in there? It's kind of orangey, huh? Or no? Or that's just a
That's
frost?
just the orange.
That's just
Yeah.
the orange. And Paige got a mango margarita. And you got to look at that beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Dos
Ice cold,
Equis
right?
Mexican frosty beer. I like that.
That's the way it should be.
And mine doesn't look so sexy, but this is a house margarita. And you can't enjoy a dinner Mexican food without either a Mexican beer or margarita. So let's try the margaritas. Cheers. Just how I remember them. Very good.
So I'm going in with the queso. Because I love cheese. 2 scoops.
This is a cheese dip called chili con queso. Inside it is a little bit of spicy pepper, tomato, and the pepper is a jalapeno. Let's give it a try. The only bad thing about corn chips and cheese and hot sauce is you're just gonna eat it until the basket's empty, and then they're gonna bring you some more. So you gotta stop eating the chips. Brent's a big guy, actually. That looks very good. There, that is a fajita nacho, and this is tacos el carbon. Did I say that right? Pretty good for a white boy, huh? And yeah. And some charo beef. Very good. Fajita beef.
Liquor though.
Well, I don't know about you guys, but I'm full. Are you full? We are going to end this video on their awesome boat, and we're going to have some cheesecake. Cheesecake.
Because we're not full enough, we have to eat cheesecake.
Maybe a little piece of cheesecake, and maybe a sunset. Maybe. I'm not sure. Anyway, we're going to go head to the boat right now, and after we get the bill. Okay, there you go. That's what it's like in America. It's not bad. It was 4 grown-up meals and a few alcoholic beverages. So very happy, very awesome food. Let's go get some cheesecake.